ElevateX 2026 marked a new chapter in human-centric and intelligent automation in India. Held in Bengaluru, the flagship industry event brought together global leaders from Teradyne Robotics, Universal Robots from the UK, and MIR to showcase the next phase of collaborative and intelligent automation shaping manufacturing and intralogistics. The high-impact platform saw participation from over 25 CEOs, CXOs, technology experts, startups and media, highlighting how Indian enterprises are moving from isolated automation pilots to scalable, business-critical deployments. Teradyne Robotics highlighted the growing adoption of collaborative robots and autonomous mobile robots across industries, enabling safer, smarter, and more flexible operations. Live demonstrations showcased real-world automation applications across automotive, food and beverage, FMCG, education, and logistics sectors. From palletizing and welding to machine tending, material transport and training, the solutions demonstrated faster ROI, easy deployment, and improved productivity. Industry leaders emphasize that automation in India is moving beyond experimentation to enterprise-wide adoption. ElevateX 2026 reflects India's growing role as a global hub for intelligent, collaborative, and future-ready automation.
In general, I think the automation is evolving. I think that basically there's a lot of pressures facing the manufacturing space. Despite India having a 1.4 billion population, labors and skills shortages and high turnover is still very apparent here as well, not just around the world but also impact India as well. While the number of young generations, the number is high with the age being low, not everyone wants to go into the manufacturing space. It's not probably managed as something that is as fanciful as comparing to the work gig economy. That's one company, until today, deployed 300 robots now. The production operator initially was very skeptical. They actually even tried to sabotage the robots during the night. They took a hammer and beat on it so that it can get spoiled and then they don't take away our jobs, right? Then the HR came up with a white banner, big banner that says, please don't damage the robot, they are there to help you, right? And 6 months later, the production operator is actually going back to the management and saying, can you please put in more robots because the robots are actually removing the tasks that they're doing very repeatable, mundane and laborious so that then they can do more high value added jobs, right? That particular company did not reduce their workforce and the robots was
So if you, for example, a Ford or any of the top BMWs or the Toyotas of the world, everyone are using universal robots in most of their shop floors and using that as deployment practices across the world. So if you list down top